I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from 3UK to Otwo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your number is eligible for transfer. Your account with 3UK should be active and not in a contract lock period. Step 2. Get your PAC code. Contact 3UK and request your porting authorization code PAC. This code is essential for transferring your number and is usually provided instantly via text or email. Step 3. Sign up with Otwo. Once you have your PAC, sign up for an Otwo plan. You can do this online or in store. Make sure to provide your PAC during the registration process to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. After submitting your PAC to Otwo, the transfer process typically takes 1 working day. You will receive a confirmation once your number is successfully ported. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new Otwo SIM card into your phone and test it by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, try restarting your device. Switching providers can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you port your number without any hassle. Good luck with your new Otwo service.